maybe for someone like me or others that are maybe a little hesitant, like what are some of the things that, is it just going to more salons? Is it kind of just trying to get out of your comfort zone? Or what kind of, I mean, now it seems like you were hesitant, but then you've done 20 salons, like that's quite a jump, you know? So like what can maybe we take away from your experience from that, and then maybe, you know, up our own, if you will.
I think starting is the most important thing. So just hosting your first salons, and after that, I think the dominoes will start falling, because it's, especially if you crave deep connections and if you love hosting and moderating a conversation and you get fulfillment out of that, it's really addicting. I mean, I am a shy person, and for me to host twice a month, you know, with total strangers, you know, not in my mother tongue, it was a bit challenging, but at the same time, it also so rewarding. I made so many friends, and they're not only connections, you know, it's not only networking. It's, I think, more than that, in many ways. I think that's what I love about this community, that you see them after that kind of deep, intimate conversation, you see them as friends.
Right, you kind of almost go past all the pleasantries.
Exactly. So we don't talk about the weather. We don't talk about what we ate.
Water cooler talk.
Exactly. Yeah. We just dive in philosophy, or I don't know. We talk about Nietzsche after 2 minutes, and then we talk about our personal lives. And I think my salons are a bit different than science salons, because we always go very deep into personal things. So it's more like storytelling, and I think that's why I could build such a deep bond with people, because they were very intimate. I mean, these salons and also the conversations.
Sure.
But that doesn't mean that at the science salon you can also not have those human moments inside a conversation. It's just that you have maybe a bit more knowledge and insight than in just, you know, I don't know, an intimate story about, I don't know, a trauma you had, for example, would be different than, you know, sharing things.
Do you have a favorite salon that you've hosted?
I think all of them are very, very dear to my heart, but one in particular was hosted in January on Enjoying the Unknown.
Ah, okay.
And I think it's the salon I had the best feedback from the participants, because they reached out after and they told me that they really enjoyed it and they felt very good and safe, and you know, safe to share their stories on the unknown. And I will actually host another salon on this topic in, I think, a couple of days.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. So, I don't know if people will see this before that, but okay.
I don't think so, because it's going to be on Wednesday already.
Oh, okay, yeah, probably not. That's interesting. So about the unknown again?
Exactly. So I started in January with the unknown. I had a full year of unknown.
Okay.
And now I'm closing it with more unknown.